Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Narayan Khade, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Zoology, led Pushpadevi Patil Arts and Science College, Risod District, Washim. This is unit number 3. In that unit, first aspect, that is the genetic code. The information needed to direct the synthesis of protein is present in the mRNA in the form of genetic code. म्हणजे जी इन्फॉर्मेशनची डायरेक्ट गरज असते फॉर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन ती प्रेझेंट कशामध्ये असते, मॅसेंजर आरएनए मध्ये असते. आणि कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये असते, त्यामध्ये जेनेटिक कोड या फॉर्ममध्ये असते. जेनेटिक कोड इज द सिस्टीम ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड सिक्वेन्सेस ऑफ mRNA दॅट डिटरमाइन द सिक्वेन्स ऑफ अमायनो ऍसिड इन प्रोटीन. म्हणजे हे अशा प्रकारची एक सिस्टीम आहे, न्यूक्लियोटाइड सिक्वेन्स mRNA मध्ये असते आणि ते डिटरमाइन करते द सिक्वेन्स ऑफ अमायनो ऍसिड इन प्रोटीन. Codon are a group of 3 adjacent bases that specify the amino acid in protein. Okay, next. Since there are four bases and 3 position in each codon, there are 4 into 4 into 4, it is equal to 64 possible of codon. So 64 codons, but only there is a present 20 amino acid. Therefore, most have more than one codon. 3 of the 64 codon are used as a stop signal. That is, they are found at the end of every gene and mark the end of the protein. Okay, one codon is used as a start signal. It is at the start of every protein. Okay, and then various characteristics show the genetic code are as follow. One is triplet codon, the number of codon, stop or termination or nonsense codon, degenerate, unambiguous, universal, or we can say that another last character, that is the non-overlapping and non-function. Initiation codon, AUG. तुम्ही ऑलवेज हिअर द AUG इज द इनिशिएशन कोडॉन. म्हणजे काय, द स्टार्ट द कोडॉन. हा काय करते, सुरुवात करते. आणि सुरुवातीचा जो कोडॉन आहे तो कोणता आहे, AUG. इनिशिएशन कोडॉन इज द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द प्रोटीन्स. In few cases, the GUG may be the initiation codon, but methionine is the only amino acid specify just one codon, that is the AUG. Okay. Next, then specificity. Genetic code is a specific. That is, a specific codon always code for the same amino acid. For example, UUU code for phenylalanine. It cannot code for any other amino acid. म्हणजे ट्रिपल UUU असेल तर they code for only the phenylalanine, not any other amino acid. Therefore, genetic code have a specific character. Then universal. In all living organism, the genetic code is the same. Genetic code कुठंच चेंज होणार नाही. In all the universal. Okay, the exception to universality is found in mitochondrial codon, where AUA, that is the methionine, and UGA, that is the tryptophan. In cytoplasmic codon, AUA, that is the isoleucinic acid, and UGA, that is the termination codon, stop codon, we can say that. The AGA and AGG code for the arginine in cytoplasm, but in mitochondria they are termination codon, or we can say that the stop codon. Then degenerate. Genetic code is a redundant, also called as degenerate. त्याला degenerate म्हणतात. Although each codon correspond to a single amino acid, but a single amino acid can have the multiple codon. Except tryptophan and methionine, each amino acid has a multiple codon. Okay, then last, that is the character is non-overlapping and non-functional. All the codons are independent set of 3 bases. There is a no overlapping. Codon is read form of fixed starting point as a continuous sequences of bases taken 3 at a time. The starting point is extremely important and this is called as reading frame. त्यालाच काय म्हटलं ते reading frame. Then nonsense codon, another character. There are 3 codon out of 64 in genetic code which do not encode for any amino acid. These are called termination codon or stop codon or nonsense codon. The stop codons are UAA, UAG, UGA, UAA, UAG, UGA. These are the stop codon or termination codon or nonsense codon. And this codon does not code for any amino acid. The ribosome pauses and fall of the mRNA. Then next, the oval hypothesis. Codon show the oval. Genetic code assume that each code have base pair in anti-parallel fashions with the anticodon of the tRNA. Okay, that are specific for the amino acid corresponding to the codon on mRNA. The rule of base pairing are relaxed at the third position so that a base can pair with more than one complementary base. Some tRNA anticodon have inosine at the third position. Inosine can pair with the U, C or A. This means that we do not need 61 different tRNA molecules, only half as many are required. The first 2 bases in codon in mRNA 5' to 3' base pair traditionally with the second and third base of the anticodon in tRNA 5' to 3'. Non-traditional base pair is observed between the third base of the codon and first base of the anticodon. The reduced specificity between the third base of the codon and the complementary nucleotide in anticodon is responsible for this Weibull hypothesis. This is all about the what is the genetic code. Then the various characteristics show the genetic codes. We explain in detail the various characteristics of the genetic codes in this lecture. Thank you, everyone.